Hello everyone, my name is Dan from DKBrickStudios, and today I'm here to show you how to build not just the TIE Fighter, but also the unknown TIE variant. Now, as I said in my build talk, build talk, but my mock spotlight, once I know the name of this TIE Fighter, I will type it out in the name, but for now, I am calling it the unknown TIE variant. So yeah, we are sticking it that way, but we're going to show you how to build both of these. They're pretty much modular. This can be built into this, and I'll show you that pretty simply. It's not that hard. You, I'll go through both. I'll go through that. I'll just show you how to do both. All right. I'm not going to do two tutorials. So before we go show the views of this model and then the next model, I have one thing to say. Just please check. I have a couple of very important things to say. Please check out my friend's novel, Rise. Links to that is in the description down below. Also, check out my socials. Links to all of those are in the description down below. Also, check out my please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yeah, that'd be amazing if you would do that. For more solo, if you want more solo, yeah, we'll be doing more solo. Solo is a continuing thing here. Will be a continuing thing. And yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, let's take a quick look at this model TIE Fighter and then the unknown TIE variant, and then we're good. Then we're gonna get the building. Here's the front view, the back view, the left, the right, the bottom, and the top. So yeah, there's that. And here's the front, the back, the left, the right, the bottom, and the top. So yeah, that's basically it, everyone. So let's get started with this, shall we? Let's. So we're going to need to start with the TIE Fighter, because that's pretty much the base model. Okay. Let's see what we're starting off with. Okay, we're going to need a brick 2x2 and a plate 2x2. I really wish there was a way for me to move these things, but hey, can't unfortunately. Put that there, and the plate as well. I'll make a note of that a little after. So as I build, you'll be seeing all the parts here. You can be able to see all the parts that you'll be needing while I'm going on. If you get confused, just take a quick look over here as a reference point for all the parts I'm using. We're going to need plate 1x2, 2 round transparent red or green studs, and a slider plate. First stick here. And we just need that slider plate, which is in here as well. Now we're going to need to go step 3. We need 2x2 with 2x2 overhang plates in light gray. No, wait, wrong model. We'll need more of those. Here and here. Now we'll just be adding the cockpit area. Round plate. We're going to need this in transparent, clear plate. Make sure I'm adding this on right. Okay. There we go, and there we go. That's on like that, and now we need red, trans red. There we are. this in dark gray. Now we just need plate 1 by 2 and 2 by 1 by 2, 2 by 2 circular pieces. Like that. That's what you should have so far. Okay, now we're onto the wings. That is a 2 by 8, right? Is that a 2 by 8? Yeah, that's a 2 by 8. Two 2 by 4s and two 2 by 8s in black. Okay, black plates. Like so. And two 2 by 8s. So that's what you should have right now. Now we're adding this, angular plates to continue to help make the profile of the wings of the TIE fighter. Yeah, there's the 4. Just wanted to be sure. I'll do both because that would save up on time. Go there. This goes here. And the last one will be obviously in the last open space. That's what you should be having so far. Pretty bland, but you know. Okay. Now we're going to need 4 grill plates. Okay, and, well, 8 really. Wait, I unfortunately did not attach that. Okay, there we go. Now we need 1 by 1s. Here, 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 and here. Here, 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 and here. And this is all we're going to need. Ignore that. Here and here. And brown plating will go here and here. So yeah, that's basically your TIE fighter. Yeah, that's basically it. Let me pause this for one quick second. Okay, so you have your TIE fighter. Now we're going to build this. If you've forgotten what that looks like, then how could you? But yeah, okay, so what we're going to do now is, if you want to just build a TIE fighter, there you go. You built a TIE fighter. But what we're going to do is we're going to remove, I'm just going to remove the wing. I want to remove the foil. Remove this. I'm just going to put this off to the side for right here. I'm going to go here. I'm going to go into here. I'm going to find where I actually start adding that. Okay. So here we go. Okay. Okay. We're going to need 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 1 or 8 bricks. I think you could do this simply with just 1 by 1, 2 by 2s. So, I'm sure. You could. I don't know why I didn't do that before, but hey. I might have been thinking of something to do for that, but hey. So you'll be needing that. Hoping nothing just comes in to interrupt my video again. Recording, Okay, we're gonna need a 1x1 sheet slope, 2 1x1 sheet slopes, and another circular plate brick. We're gonna take this, attach that to here. A slope. Attach that to there. No, wait, it is in rod. Yep. Okay. Let me just have a feeling that's gonna be the next step. Oh wait, I skipped. Yep, we just gotta attach those on, and then we're pretty much done. Well, we gotta reattach the thing though. So that's the thing. But after that, we'll be done. We have to attach this on, and this on. Yeah, there you go. Your unknown. Now you've converted your unknown TIE fighter into the regular, into your regular TIE fighter into your unknown TIE variant. That's basically it. You can do this. This is a module fighter. That's how I kind of built this. That way you can, if you just wanted to make it, so that way you can take it apart. That's how I have my current TIE fighter at. It's modular. Which I'll show you that, my own TIE fighter. I'll show you that later after the movie, just to kind of, but you'll see that, and that'll be another, although it looks like this, you'll see that. It is modular. You can totally use this to help make your own TIE fighter, if you so desire, really. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed filming this for you guys. So yeah, this is Damien from DKBrickStudios signing off. And remember, may the Force and the Force of others be with you always. I'll see you all in the next video.
Headlong into the fight, birds of a feather well weathered together, chasing the dark from the night. Trust in your feelings and find a new hope. Take your best shot.